I'm Cameron Bonzi. I'm the Director of Marketing for Coast of Maine Organic Products. I'm here with Pete Bottomley, who's one of the owners, and today we're going to talk about Quoddy Lobster Compost. Now, what makes lobster compost so special?
Well, this is one of my favorite products. I mean,
Okay.
It is very special. It's very unique in the marketplace.
Yep.
Now, you've got lobsters in it. And these are
How
these
can
aren't
we
the,
afford to do that?
It's not the whole lobster. It's what's left over after they've taken the meat out
Yep.
and processed them. But we've got this wonderful lobster body that has still a lot of nitrogen in it.
Yep.
The shells themselves in the composting process break down to release a lot of calcium. And calcium is the #1 thing plants need.
I don't think most people know
Most
that.
people don't know that. It's the #1 thing. So the calcium, there's also chitin from the shells,
Sure.
which is used to grow more of the bigger guys in the soil food web,
Sure.
the nematodes and the protozoans. And those guys eat bacteria and excrete
Sure.
plant-ready food, okay?
Now, this, obviously we have a great medium for plants to grow.
Yeah, this is just gorgeous stuff.
And the, you squeeze it, and I notice, you know, it stays on your hand. You were talking about that before.
Yeah, what you're seeing is humic acid staining, okay? And that's...
Sounds awful.
Yeah. Humic acids are created by all the breakdown of the compost and all the life that's in it.
Sure.
And it's really good for growing roots.
Okay.
Okay? Now, if you take your compost and your hands look like this afterwards, you've got a good, healthy compost.
Now, we got a good, healthy compost. What's it good for growing?
It's really good for growing plants that like a sweeter soil and they like a lot of bacteria. If you watch our training video on Penobscot,
Sure.
I talk about that being a fungal bacteria,
Yep.
a fungal mix,
Yeah.
which is better for trees and shrubs.
Sure.
This is bacterial. It's awesome for vegetables, annuals, specifically good for lilacs because they
Right.
like sweet soil, roses.
And all of our products are organically approved.
Yes.
So that's important too. So
Yeah.
if you're growing something that's going to
A
go in
lot
your mouth,
more nutrients.
Yeah, and you're going to be you're going to feel a lot better about what you're eating at
Yeah.
the end. So our lobster compost comes in a green bag. It's called Quoddy Blend. You probably won't remember that, but please remember to go to your independent garden center where all our Coast of Maine products are sold.